hillock. Show me the lights. Show me the lights.
Hey, can I use your phone?
And a twat on an unregistered motorbike as well. He hasn't even got a bloody saddle. What the hell? Show me the lights, unregistered motor vehicle.
Now, are you doing deliveries on that one?
Scum. Another one driving an unregistered motor vehicle through the park. Scum. And another unregistered motorbike on the pavement. Another scumbag criminal putting decent couriers out of business. Oh, jump in the lights! One on a UMV there. Pound or penny is going to jump the lights. Ah, one a penny. One on the unregistered motorbike undertaking, and that's a close pass from the twat on the UMV. Another one there driving an unregistered motorbike on the footpath. The twat in an unregistered motorbike on our cycle lane. Pound to a penny, this one jumps the lights. Yay, I've won another penny. Show me the lights, unregistered motor vehicle. Another of the scum these delivery companies have hired to put proper couriers out of business. Oh, he's jumped the lights. What an arsehole. And a twat on an unregistered motorbike going the wrong way up a one-way straight. And there's one driving an unregistered motorbike on the footpath. Couple more phone snatchers on unregistered motorbikes. Driving an unregistered motorbike on the footpath. Another one driving an unregistered motorbike on the footpath. There's an arsehole on the pavement. Oh, now he's in the cycle lane going the wrong way on his illegal motorbike. Scumbag! Another one jumping the lights. One on an unregistered motorbike using a mobile phone. Another one on an unregistered motorbike using a mobile phone. Another UMV in the cycle lane. And another UMV in the cycle lane. Jump in the lights, unregistered motorbike. Show me the lights, unregistered motor vehicle. There's one driving an unregistered motor vehicle through the park.